Communications with stakeholders, management, and contractors are often delivered through Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. The PowerPoint connector provides a means to easily import data from GENESYS and into PowerPoint for use in presentations. By getting your images directly from GENESYS, you maintain the integrity of your model data by getting the image from your live repository. After importing the images into PowerPoint, you can add headers, text, or any other desired callouts using standard PowerPoint features. The PowerPoint connector is an independently installed product and does not require its own license. The GENESYS add-in appears in PowerPoint as a tab on the ribbon from which the connector can be controlled. Simply click the GENESYS icon to log in to GENESYS. This will display the standard GENESYS login dialog. You'll use the same username and password that you use to log in to GENESYS. This will give you access using the same permission set you have when using the GENESYS client. There are several sections in the ribbon which are used to control access to the GENESYS data. The Repository/Project section shows which repository and controls which project you are accessing. Once logged in, you can simply choose a project from the Projects dropdown. The Diagrams section allows the user to select diagrams from the model to be displayed in PowerPoint. You can use this section to get diagrams for every entity in a class folder or a package. The connector will offer diagrams based upon the GENESYS licenses it finds on your network. If you have any Spectrum licenses, it will offer all diagrams. If you have only Essentials licenses, it will offer only Essentials diagrams. I'll get all internal block diagrams from the component class folder. Note that as set, I am not getting diagrams from the subfolders. If I also want subfolder diagrams, I can simply set a checkmark in the Include Child Folders option. The Insert To field allows me to select where the diagrams will go in the presentation. I'll put them in a new slide. Next, I click Insert Diagrams to get the images. The connector will temporarily save your images in the same folder as your presentation. Then clean up the images after they are embedded in the presentation. Because I have not yet saved my presentation, I'm prompted for a location to save the images. I'll create a new folder on my desktop and place the images there. My presentation is now populated with the selected diagram images. The diagrams scale so the largest dimension fits the slide. Note that the slide is titled with the entity name and diagram name. This works great when I need a broad set of images. When I need a more refined set, I can click Show All Options. This opens a toolbox that allows me to retrieve the diagram of a single entity or a selected set of entities. For more information about how to use each section, just click the Help icon. I'll use this to get one more diagram. I'll select the Command Center subfolder, then the _perform Command Center functions entity. Note the options for the slide title, and Insert To. Many options are available here to customize your presentation. I'll leave these on the default settings. Finally, I'll click the Insert button. Again, I need to select a location for the image to be saved. For complete information on the PowerPoint connector, including installation information, reference the PowerPoint Connector Guide.